Poor Boy's Garage back with the Christmas lights tip. We found that when we unrolled this section of lights, we had about an 8-foot section that was totally dead, and found that if we wiggled one of the bulbs that was here, the rest of the strand would light. And discovered there's a little thin piece of wire on each bulb, and when I pulled this out, the other one fell off. So it was broken and not making a connection. Now they'll keep working even if the bulb doesn't work, but they won't keep working if they're not connected or if you take one out. So I was actually able to kind of push this in and it would illuminate the rest of the strip. Pull it out and of course the rest of the strip is going to be dead. So solution here is I've got some replacements that fit and should be able to get this in. See if I can do it with one hand. All right, got it in. So about like a 10-pack of replacements, and this section is back on. We're gonna go through the rest of the lights and check for this before we toss any. So good luck.